Hello, my name is Phil Dislocohen, assistant instructor for Broadway Family Karate. Today I'm going to demonstrate the Spearhand Thrust High. So basically we're going to start off with hand shape. So it's very important to have your fingers nice and tight, close together, like this. Thumb against your palm, like this. Okay, you want to tense those fingers up a little bit because basically you're going to be striking with the tips of your fingers. Basically, we use this strike against the throat, the face, the eyes. That's where you're actually going to use this. So we're going to do this in a front stance. So I'm going to get into a good left front stance. My feet are nice, long, and wide stance. Okay, I'm going to chamber my right arm in front. Okay, I'm going to start with my spear hand at my belt. Okay, I'm going to have it palm facing up. So basically what I want to do is when I do the thrust, I'm going to actually twist and then end up palm down. So the important thing to do here is when you're doing this thrust, you want to keep your elbow in nice and tight. You want to do a straight line from here to right in the middle to here, about face high. So I'm going to do it slow at first. Just like this. So starting with my palm up, and I'm going to start thrusting. I'm going to twist and end up like this. Okay, do a little bit faster. And a little bit faster. And let me try it from the other side too. Okay, so I'm going to chamber my back arm up front. Okay, I'm going to start with my hand, fingers nice and tight. Actually, I tense my fingers a little bit, bend them just a little bit. I'm going to start palm up, and I'm going to thrust a straight line from here to about face high. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate this on a target. So I'm going to have my assistant, Hannah, help me. Okay, so I'm going to get into a good front stance. Okay, so it's good to hold the target nice and loose because when you're striking with your fingers, you don't want to have it too solid. Usually we do this with a piece of paper, but for this demonstration we're using a blocker. So, I'm getting into a good front stance. I'm going to chamber my back arm. Okay, make sure my fingers are nice and tight. My thumb's not dangling. I'm going to start palm up. And I'm going to do it slow at first. I'm going to touch and push. Just like that. Touch and push. Touch and push. So now I'm going to do a little bit harder. Sorry. Yeah, you might want to step off to the side a little bit. That's it. Thank you. Yeah. Shift up. So the important thing is you want to get into a good front stance. You want to chamber the back arm. You want to keep your fingers nice and tight. Your hand starts palm up to start with, and it twists and ends up palm down. Just like that. And that is the Spearhand Thrust High.